Morning student, myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Danprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the theorem of angle between tangent and secant. If an angle has its vertex on the circle, its one side touches the circle and the other intersect the circle in one more point, then the measure of the angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Now see in this figure angle ABC. This angle intercepts this arc BXA and its one side is tangent to the circle and second side intersect the circle at point A, which is one more point than B. Given if let O be the center of the circle, line DBC, means this line DBC is tangent to the circle at point B. Segment BA, this line, is a chord of the circle. Point X and Y opposite side of a chord AB. This point X and point Y lie the opposite side of this chord AB. To prove, measure of angle ABC, means this angle ABC, equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc BXA or AXB. Proof. Considering angle ABC intercepts a semicircle, means this angle ABC intercepts this semicircle. The chord AB, so we can say that the chord AB passes through the center. In that case, angle ABC equal to 90 degree, means if this angle intercepts this semicircle, then we say that this chord passing through the center of the circle, then we can say that measure of angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Tangent theorem. Now measure of arc BXA is 180 degree, that is the semicircle, measure of a semicircle. Then we write down, multiply here this arc BXA and this 180 by 1 by 2, means 1 by 2 into measure of arc BXA equal to 1 by 2 into 180, means 1 by 2 into 180 means 90. See the 1 by 2 measure of arc BXA equal to 90 and measure of angle ABC equal to 90. So this 90 are equal, then we can say that left side this arc and half of this arc equal to angle ABC. Then we can write down measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc BXA. Means we can say that measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB or BXA. When angle ABC intercept a minor arc, means this angle ABC intercept this minor arc. Now this arc is semicircle. If he intercept minor arc, the center lie in the exterior of angle ABC, means this center lie exterior of this angle ABC. See the another figure. In this figure, this angle ABC intercept the minor arc, so the center of circle lie exterior of the angle. Center lies in the exterior of angle ABC. Then we write down measure of angle ABC. This angle ABC equal to, now this total angle is 90 degree. If we subtract from this 90 this angle OBA or ABO, then we get this angle Then write down measure of angle ABC equal to 90 minus measure of angle ABO. Then we can write down again measure of angle ABO equal to 90 minus measure of angle ABC. Now this write down this measure of angle ABO goes to the left side. So we write down here measure of angle ABO equal to this measure of angle ABC goes to the right side. Then this is the minus 90 minus this angle, means measure of angle ABO equal to 90 minus measure of angle ABC. And we can again write down this angle measure of angle BAO, means this angle BAO means this angle. This angle is ABO. ABO means this angle. Then we write down for this angle BAO. BAO equal to 90 minus measure of angle ABC. 90 minus measure of angle ABC. This angle and this angle are congruent. So we can write down those things for this angle. You can write down same thing for this angle also. Triangle AOB, this AOB, this triangle is isosceles triangle because OB and OA are the radius of the circle. Then we take addition of these two angles, means measure of angle ABO plus measure of angle BAO equal to 90 plus 90, 180 minus measure of angle ABC minus measure of angle ABC means minus twice measure of angle ABC. Now this angle plus this angle means this angle plus this angle. For these two angle we can write down, for this triangle we say that 180. Then for this two angle we write down 180 minus this angle. We get the measure of these two angle. Now same thing is written here, 180 minus measure of angle AOB equal to this 180 as it is minus twice measure of angle ABC also as it is. For this two angle we write down 180 minus measure of this central angle. Sum of these three angle equal to 180. And for this two angle we write down 180 minus this. So minus angle AOB equal to minus twice measure of angle ABC. So this minus sign cancel. Then we write down measure of angle AOB equal to twice measure of angle ABC. Then this angle AOB is the central angle. The measure of this angle equal to, but the measure of angle AOB equal to measure of arc AXB. The measure of minor arc, we can say that the measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of central angle. This AOB is central angle, so the measure of this angle and measure of this arc are same. Then we write down, for this measure of angle AOB we can write down measure of arc AXB. Measure of arc AXB equal to twice measure of angle ABC. Then this 2 goes to the left side and divide this arc, means measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB, means measure of angle ABC equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB. This AXB is intercepted by this angle ABC. In this angle also one of the side is tangent and second side is intersect to the circle at a point A, another point A, and this angle intercept this arc AXB. Then we can say that the measure of angle equal to 1 by 2 measure of arc AXB. In this way we can prove that the theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Good day, goodbye, okay.